Hi everybody, it's Tracy again. So this is my third video for the night, and this is the spring cleaning Cricut bundle number 2. That's a mouthful. Anyways, so this one I know should have a cutie in it as well. I was super excited. I got an extra cutie in my last video, and I have to keep them away from the grandkids because I know they're gonna want them, or even the little dog. But I wanted to share with you what's in here. I bought all 4 of them. I wasn't sure which one I wanted, so I just bought them all. So the husband's probably thankful I have my own job to pay for all this stuff. So in this one we have, let's see, glitter vinyl, and this is the glitter sampler kit. I got a lot of Cricut glitter vinyl, so I better learn how to use it properly. This one has 6 12x12 sheets, and oh, it does show the colors on there. So I'm super excited about that. I really got to learn it though. I've heard lots of tips from you guys and gals out there. So I hope you help me out tremendously, because the actual glitter setting does not work properly. There's a couple little kits in here, so I'm going to start with this one here. This one's heavy. This is, it says premium vinyl. Oh, it's a 40 pack, so I'm not going to open it, but I'm not going to show you all 40 sheets. That's too many sheets, and I can't even get it open. There we go. Won't be reusing that mailer. What is that? Just piece of paper. 40 sheets of vinyl. Oh, it looks like there's removable Oh, I don't know if you can see the colors there. I really don't want to take them out of the packaging right now. I can't even. Let's see if I can do a flip through like a cardstock, because there's 40. Nope, it's not going to happen. 40 sheets there. I got it upside down, maybe? I don't know. Anyways, there's 40 sheets in there. We're done messing with that. Right here, what do we have here? A chipboard. Yay, because I didn't have the proper chipboard. This is the pack that you would find at Michael's. It's 11 by 11. So 5 sheets in there. So that'll be fun to do some chipboard stuff. You can see I have some stars over here my husband made on just some cheap old paper pad chipboards. So I just stuck those there because my iPad won't fit in there with the cover. And then, so these kits are amazing. Let me move this box over if I can. Because the last one, there was a cutie in there and I didn't even know. But the boxes are kind of cool. Oh, I have this one. It came in the bundle 3, but that's okay. You can see what's in there now. The Love Sparkle and Shine Material Kit. They come in these awesome little cardboard drawers. Sorry, I just got off work, so it's a long day. But look at that awesome drawer. Like, it's pretty sturdy. So, and then there's all this awesome stuff. So now I have 2 of these, but that's okay. And it makes this thing here, like a wall art thing. But it has some instructions and stuff for how to do your proper settings. So there's some transfer tape. And then this one, it says, it is, I can't read upside down, Crimson Red. It looks more of a pink to me. Glitter vinyl. And this one, it says it's Crimson Red too. So there's 2 of those. And then this one says it is foil pink. And I am not a pink person, but I like that pink. That's really super pretty. And then the last one is the foil red. So that's super exciting. And I can just keep those in there because I ran out of real vinyl storage. There's that one. And then this one says Material Kit Everyday Sparkle and Shine. It looks like you can make this journal. Has a whole bunch of stuff in here. They taped this on here, so get the tape busted off of there. And another one of those cool little cardboard drawers. Oops. So let's see, Smile Journal. That's what it's called. So I get to make a journal, and I like making journals. So I'm excited about that because why not? And then there is 2 rolls of the glitter vinyl black. almost looks gray, but it's still very pretty. Matches my fingernails. Transfer roll, transfer paper, and champagne foil. That one's really super pretty. And chrome. That's super pretty, like a tailpipe, I guess. I don't know. So that's super awesome. I say super a lot, huh? And then there is this here. Make something you love. It looks like it's a towel, a tea towel, or just a rose for it. And then there's a couple other little things there. Oh, I see on the back. There's a box there. A box and a couple flowers. And it says there's 5 pieces of fabric in here. Oh, look at the pretty flowers that you can make. And leaves. And I'm not sure what those are. Maybe it's a picket fence or something. And, oh, that would have been not good. Okay, so there's another fabric marker in there. No cutie this time. There's a fabric marker there. Don't know what that is. Cutting designers. So there's the instructions, and it says fabric image set. So there's the flowers and the leaves and the picket fence. And it says a fabric rose linen towel. I was correct. And then there's a fabric flower brooch. Fabric flower embellishment. And then another fabric flower pouch there. And all this awesome fabric. I don't know. My friend that I work with, she had just got herself a Cricut maker for Christmas. As well as me, and she's not sure which one she wants to buy of these spring bundles. I think she needs to buy them all. So there's that pretty one there. They're like super soft and amazing. And that one. Oops. There's that one there. These are better than the fabrics I find at the Goodwill Diggets. That one. And then this one here. So there's that kit. Just put this on the chair behind me. I'm running out of room. And let's see, there's a couple more things in here. There is another set of the gold pens with the different tips and stuff. Not sure I'll need both sets, but you never know, right? There's another accessory kit bag. It's just the Toolkit bag. This here is iron-on, glitter iron-on. I only just guess because I don't know, like I said, I don't know what I got in each kit. And this has quite a few sheets in there as well. There's pink, blue. I'm not sure what's in there. Once you take them out, you can't get them back in, you know. Any packaging. I guess that's maybe a red. It looks almost pinkish blue. And they stick together a little bit. So, oh, there's pink there. Looks like there's 2 sheets of each color. The blue. Ooh, pretty purple. A green. And a silver. And there's one more thing. A Cricut Cutie! And this one is Raspberry Cricut Cutie. Now I have 4 Cricut Cuties. Yay! Obviously they can't stay right there because then I can't use my Cricut. But, so that was my spring cleaning bundle number 2. And I have one more. And I just want to say thanks for stopping by, subscribing, liking. Have a fabulous evening. Bye!